Hey guys, my name is Dirk Hansen. Believe it or not, I'm not actually a real person. But would you have known that? So who is this charming fellow? Well, he's an image that took me about 30 seconds to find and download thanks to a site called thispersondoesnotexist.com. The site uses generative adversarial networks, or GANs. Provide GANs with an appropriate sample set of data, and the generative network will learn how to generate something similar by attempting to fool the discriminative network. At the same time, the discriminator becomes more accurate in flagging fake images, and thus the cycle continues to advance both neural networks. Accounts using deepfake profile pictures have been appearing on social media sites, with some being suspected of collecting data or spreading misinformation. In a 2019 House Intelligence Committee hearing, Adam Schiff, the committee chairman, said deepfake technology has the capacity to disrupt entire campaigns, including that for the presidency. He also said, "It's not something that you have to be an AI expert to run." Ouch. But he brings up a good point. Say you wanted to pose as a fake person online. Most images you find can easily be traced back to the actual person through reverse image searching. However, deepfake images add an extra level of difficulty in identifying fake accounts because there are no traces of the actual person online. But just how easily fooled are we? Well, I put together a survey that tests exactly this across 4 different categories of images: human faces, cars, churches, and, of course, cats. Participants from the United States identify 32 images, 8 per category, as either fake or real. Then, participants complete a cognitive reflection test. 4 questions that test whether you follow gut instinct or thoughtful reflection. Participants, on average, identified only 52% of the images correctly between fake and real. Images of churches were most likely to be correctly identified, at 54.7%, whereas images of humans were the only category below 50%, at 48.7%. This means that, statistically, participants would have been more likely to correctly identify images of humans by picking between fake and real at random. Participants answered cognitive reflection questions with about 45.7% accuracy. The average percent of correct cognitive reflection questions does appear to increase with increasing image identification accuracy, suggesting there may be a correlation. However, the lowest number of correct images identified, at 9, has the highest cognitive reflection score before immediately dropping. There appears to be a gradual decrease in ability to correctly identify images as age increases, with all age brackets above the 50% mark, except those in their 60s. Interestingly, age does not appear to correlate with participants' scores on the cognitive reflection test. Those who identified as conservative were between 6 to 13% less accurate when answering the cognitive reflection questions compared to those with other political affiliations. While conservatives still ranked lowest in correctly identifying images, the averages of all 4 political affiliations were within 2%. Some big takeaways are that deepfake images are very convincing. During the study, participants were more likely to identify deepfakes of humans as real over authentic photos. I even had friends tell me things such as, "You can sense their personality," or "I think I recognize them from somewhere," when glancing over my shoulder as I look at a fake image. As technology progresses, deepfakes will only grow more realistic, and any of us might be fooled by the next one we encounter. Thank you.